Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do Puerto Rican rice pudding. You can find the recipe here on the screen and also down below in the description box. This is a really easy recipe to do, especially now for the holidays. We're going to start off by mixing all of our milk in a pot on the stove. In between each milk that we add, we're going to give it a little mix just so everything is well combined. There's going to be a lot of mixing in this video, so make sure you're prepared for that. Now we're going to add our butter, and of course we're going to continue to mix. We're going to let our milk sit on the stove for a couple of minutes. Now it is time to make our tea. This right here has your house smelling so good. It smells just like Christmas. We're going to add our cinnamon sticks, our cloves, and our ginger, and we're going to let boil for a couple of minutes. It is honestly my favorite thing about making rice pudding is this tea right here. Once we mix everything, we're going to let it boil up for 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're going to go back to our milk. We're going to add our rice. The most important thing when making rice pudding is that you have to let your rice sit in water for about 2 hours. We are going to let our rice boil as you see in the video. And once you see that it starts to boil up, we're going to continue to mix. It's going to get very thick. And once you see it get to this thick consistency, you know you're doing it right. We're going to add our vanilla, and we're also going to add our tea. I totally forgot to record this part, but you want to strain your tea. I added my tea a little at a time, and then I continued to mix. Let me tell you that by this point, my arm felt like it was gonna fall off, okay? But it was so worth it because this Arroz Con Dulce, or this rice pudding, was so delicious. Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna add our condensed milk. This right here is a trick because it gives it that sweet taste to it, but it doesn't overdo it. We're going to mix until all of the condensed milk is well mixed within the rice. And then, remember when I said that adding the condensed milk was like the little trick? Well, this is it right here, because we're going to add sugar, but we're not going to add too much sugar, because if we add too much sugar, it's going to be too sweet. And who likes very, very, very sweet rice pudding? Because I don't. I know I don't. So the condensed milk gives it like a good balance between sweet but not too sweet. And of course, we're going to add our coconut flakes and our raisins. Honestly, the coconut flakes and the raisins are optional. I used these little cups that I got from Amazon. If you guys want to get them, they will be linked down below in the description box. And we are done. Look how good this rice pudding looks, guys. I promise you, you're going to love this recipe. If you guys try it, let me know down below. And like always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. I'll see you guys later. Adios.